Those are nice. Look at this. There's a view up here. These are the elevators here at, I believe this is I forgot the name of this building, but yeah, these are the elevators. They used to be Otis Touch, but modded not that long ago by Otis with newer Otis Series 2. Well, Series M2. This building was built in the 70s, I believe. There's your view of some of downtown Chattanooga. We're just gonna go down to 1. These are not anything too special, but I gotta give a huge thanks to security for letting me ride. Tried to get both. Here we are on 1. Thank you.
Oh.